In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase or thicken the border width of a table in Google Docs. This is a handy trick if you're looking to make your tables stand out or just highlight certain parts for emphasis. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Doc that contains the table you wish to modify. If you haven't created a table yet, go ahead and insert one by clicking on Insert in the menu bar and selecting Table. Now, once you have your table ready, you may decide you want to apply a thicker border to the entire table. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor across the table to select the entire thing. You'll see the entire table highlighted, indicating it's ready for formatting. Next, go up to the toolbar where you'll find the Border Width option. It usually appears in the toolbar with a grid-like icon. Click on it and a small drop-down menu will appear, giving you various thickness options to choose from. For instance, if you want a nice, noticeable border, you might go for the 2.25 point option, which provides a substantial thickness that should make your table pop. Now, perhaps you don't want to apply this thickness to the entire table, but just to a specific part of it. Let's say you'd like only certain cells or parts of your table to have thicker borders for emphasis, maybe to highlight a particular section of data. You can easily do this by clicking on those specific cells or sections. If you're selecting multiple cells, hold down the Shift key while clicking each one to ensure they're all included. Once those cells are highlighted, go back to the Border Width option, click it, and choose your desired thickness. There might be cases where you want to thicken just a particular line or border within the table, not entire cells or sections. To accomplish this, click on that specific line while holding down the Control key. If you want to adjust multiple lines at once, continue holding Control while you click each line. After selection, return to the Border Width option in the toolbar and adjust it according to your preference. Remember, these adjustments can be done at any time, so feel free to experiment with different thicknesses until it looks just right for your needs. That's how you can increase or thicken the border width of a table in Google Docs. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your document's layout and make your tables visually appealing or easier to read. Thanks for joining, and happy formatting.